Hello, my friend, how are you? Last classes we were talking about how the future will look like. One thing that is a reality right now is 3D printing. And today we'll talk about the future of 3D printing and how it may change our lives in the future. Pay attention and then answer the questions. Imagine you're getting ready for a night out. First, you go online and pick out a pair of shoes. Second, you choose the size, style, and color. Next, you download the design and print the shoes. Finally, you put on your new shoes and you're ready to walk out the door. You may think that's impossible, and you might be right. But there are some three-dimensional or 3D printers in the world today, but you can't print out shoes quite yet. However, scientists believe 3D printing will become common in the future. Today, designers and engineers use 3D printers to create high-tech models out of different materials like plastic, metal, glass, even chocolate. They design the object in 3D on a computer. Then a 3D printer builds the object one layer at a time. These models help engineers test and improve designs before they make the real thing. Do you believe 3D printing will be common in the future? What are the steps to print shoes? If you had a 3D printing machine at home that could print anything, what would be the first thing you'd print? Comment your answers here. Go on our website and complete the exercises. Be a VIP at You Speak Now. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia and I see you next class. In the future, businesses will be able to print the real thing themselves.